The story of this young gentleman, I'm a nipa bebre, I break it down into tiers. In fact, a nipa bebre, a rare, a hoye, the first time a story ne breaky on the internet. Na me no way ka say, bibi pa, efremu aba, ema good news, and I say good news be efremu aba. Abusia me din edi Kwesi ama, mesra also be me subscribe button so na watenu notification bell. Na after watch wadwen so e wo comment section. But your memory if you say obetimi follow you on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, nina Kwesi ama and I say Kwesi ama news. Now, let's delve deep into this story. There's this young gentleman, ZionFelix, and in the interview. Na gentleman we are making a invocation. Yes, invocation a student or school nemo. The unfortunate incident and I say near a way near be my home kakra and they say Sebi senia me no yetimi esi tenasefa anase senia ya yakobe bia na atenase ya foka na atenase anase ye chinchin ya na ye bra na ya pe bia atena no. Unfortunately yenu be man entimi tenase for the past so many years. Yes, for so many years no yenu be man ojina, even if obefoka ojina ho se obeda not like entimi tenase, he just has to lie straight. No be a sebi offer component maintenance. I just saw no. You can just imagine how serious this is. Now, regardless of the situation, Yenya Bemai is not giving up in life. Oguswa Ebon Homodin, Oguswa Ebon Homodin, and he has been schooling. I learned since I said, or a very brilliant student and so I mean on fan addition and far in the agro. Now, according to ZionFelix, no, oko a school mo say okako year coverage of an event na obi approach say there is this particular person or what particular condition which side area no to be say one no ebedi nkomo because ohwa na yenu be man sabi na obre because per stories no na yenu be man say obeba school because of the situation na ontimi emfa public transport into no the biada say offer a year bia or I mean taxi say bi obebuki taxi and I say bia online ride bia ono kwa because ono no ontimi join the public transport because of the situation. Abusia na yenua Zion ene gentleman we edin komo. In fact ebeto internet no so obia e kire na adwen nipa bebre ere hoye but regardless no asempa ene efrem aba me no we ka say now gentleman we enya car for a brand new car. Yes, a brand new car from a year Nyamedia. I mean ye kan Nyamedia is one of Ghana hanum say mo sebi kakra wo mo nsem a omobo omo homodin esanso ebo afoforo ye kan buses bebre a wo krom ha say ya na say buses a enam kumase ne enkran akwan so a idi akwane aba. Some of these buses no this particular man Nedia. Now I say who story no near Kano and say in the first place, or person be boa brandy and so be boa brandy and so there na a car and obetime de abuano. I mean, for it to be easier for the gentleman to be moving up and down, especially say be obeko school, asan aba obeko aba na on use public transport. Na de biaji say obuki a taxi and na say other online hailing apps even na esese odika yi edema no se ne be ya ebeboa no
said the odika kan enokure say last week me ba office no minimum ye meeting am ka kire mo say custom officer bi add video bi asend me na odi send me ya no anadwono ma na bibi kama kuma say me meche abrante no ne ma me car me se be better me mfa meche no timbe na me de kire wona so ya unnim abrante no okoye an interview no and I'm so okay enemy kokumase makofa car daba etimba ha wie ya said de me ka kire mo no me de car yesi me de bre Enoch na mama ne ma me so 20,000 200 million 20 million na onfa support to na djuma no nti be de car people signé car za force check rusuli check oriskano eyo wodia fa support wodwuma ya me so nhyira se watimi ahwe akwara no wote nyame beka ho
asam no nyina se de wo sitim ho no eyensemfua bi a efiri enokomu baaye enema nyame asam okakire no hyemu kena eja wiase asam okan ne se twen tese ya hwe bi ne nyina yafo na so de so obeye eno se da bi tie na obekasa obeka bibi afesusu no ne ma me beto nwom baako na kasa okan ya afemi kura ne so kura tata me ene se enoko se ono no da nyina no obompa ye ma wo mu a ebeche nade no omumum no odwene wo ho ti papa yesu asmo beka se je wi ase ah ono odwene ono no ho odwene wo mu a etimi di bibi bre no tinaje se anidasoa ne se ne onyankopon cheduampon na ahire je wi ase ahire na mana broso ana o se ne bibia yesu dia na akodai kase ai ana meme no obi mama dia na medwene eye se nipa kro no se nyankopon hira no no mumu asre hira dia ma se nipa kro dia sa asem ne kana koma.
Now the whole conversation no I feel say Zion needs to be applauded in as much say sometimes I mean in your maybe or honoma ye feel say oya enya de pa anase oya enye ye de anase oya enye wo de no say ebia enye wo de ha obeka ho asem but this particular one now why no sa energy na ye de ka nioma foforo anase se okoye interview bia na se wo feel say interview no enkoye ma sa energy na ye de criticize no. Let's use our energy way to heal ZionFelix. In fact, through Zion and a gentleman way, enya car for. In fact, Emma na ma so crampo as enya skaka krase on fan sheni jetrim and as on fan sheni jumadiem. Intene Zion dear, abaso body and na nyina particularly medebe mano. Now, there is a side of the story I'm a pese yeshe. You see, in this life, enye de bia na sebi wo obetimi aye bibi amobi directly say bia what can iska 1,000 cedis 20,000 cedis 30,000 cedis ade ache obi sometimes nyankopon enam so ehira obi anase onam obi so ehira wo you become a point of contact bia nyankopon betimi afa so de ehira obi in your society you live it has become say anase that is the reality say nyankopon be ehira obi so a odenam obi so. You can be a blessing and you can be a curse to somebody. Ubetimi as you being share kwan. Now, with all this that I'm saying, you know, say ye hear interview as Zion and Enuyabema Enoch Eshan Eya. It was through a gentleman. Yes, according to Zion, no, it was through a gentleman. A gentleman approach you know. Say there is a particular person bia or per se oneno edin komona say more be free baby aba and one not me aba bedro. That is where Zion etimi gets in contact with Enoch-Eshan and no Eddie and come.
I came somewhere to UCC about program. I came to take coverage of an event. Na maybe event no, and one of the students no approached me say, "There's this brother here. He has an issue. Or catch him in fact. At Tomakuma say, Yemra Nambi Sharon. Catch him na one time you come to know. I have to meet him for us to talk." Na wow hweme so betimi aboa na wabamedin as ZionFelix right now me wo University of Cape Coast campus Cape Coast. According to the person that approached me no or say our brother here can't sit.
I was saying no this particular gentleman and I recommend Enoch-Eshan at the ZionFelix. Oba pese Zion and anybody nkomo na sebi amwabi ebe free baby aba.
Mark, come. I'll talk to Enoch. I'll pass you and talk to Enoch and then Enoch's cousin. But let me talk to this gentleman who brought Enoch to me. So as I said earlier, and as I've always been saying, you know, about program with UCC, and he happened to be there. To a point, I catch me team members in the back. So I think he was narrating to catch so I can't me. What can I'm like, no, I have to come to Enoch as soon as possible. How is the feeling for you?
Right now, I would say I'm super excited because I didn't imagine all of this. I'm just surprised because Enoch's mom called me that someone called to buy car for Enoch, but I wasn't, I didn't take her seriously. So this morning that they called me, they are at second gate bringing the car. So right now it's a motivation for me. We can help others, not financially, but just one connection. Just telling you, look at what this guy is receiving right now. And even I have someone who said she will come and pay his 4 years school fees for him. Yeah, so there are other amazing things on the way coming. But right now I would say this one is a super motivation.
Yankopon chade eye man na ono so oni eye Yesu dia basis no ono so ese okame onya akwenya na ono so nya video ni bi hwe. Now the next blessing ensanso koma nipa or recommend ZionFelix ni video edema the owner of Yesu dia no, because according to Yesu dia no a custom officer bi na hear video no na eka no no de send Yesu dia say on hwe video yi bi na in fact man say o hear video no wie no na ra ho na odwen hu say then emwa ben na no so betimi dia yi aboa eye yenua ben ma in location. Nti no you could see say emwa no ansta amfiti prekope nyakopon amfa mwa na amfiti prekope amfa ma in location. Ode nam ZionFelix so from ZionFelix ena eko no mwa no in fact every eye na down for now recommend no ma ZionFelix no ahonom na nshira na start say every one kokodro ZionFelix so because ZionFelix say o decline interview no and access one publish interview no online and access one interview no pa me ne wo anka ye hu this particular video. In fact anka man na Yesu dia VIP basis simple ye ne dia no anka hu that particular interview enti inshira no eye dia or recommend eye invocation ema ZionFelix no ZionFelix na kasa mu ena custom officer na ono so edi video no ema ma na se ma no ehwe video ne bi no ono so inshira no bi enkoma no. Now from there after Zion ni crew anase ne workers on omonam no from Zion's own mouth no na gentleman no narrate issue no anase story no actually one of the workers and okase no on call Zion akasa ho no no enkokoni komo. You see sometimes the blessing no sanyakopon de ba anase nshira no so de ba on from ma so prekope enye ni nyina fine ebi wo ha ebe ba prekope anase ebe ba also directly, but sometimes it will not come to you directly ebe fa afoforo bi so sa na ba be duro so nti no abusua na yenua be ma invocation right now no nyakopon adom wanya ka ebe boa ema na kwani aba mono etimi aboa no anase etimi aye wano aman cause first now no fa dropping no sisi ano saade no ebeti no nti enu abema ZionFelix ene ni crew ene the young man now no so we recommend invocation ema ZionFelix nia me pese meka ene se nyakopon enhiramo na onhiramo na onsanso enhiramo. Yes, nyakopon enhiramo nanso wo ene me a ye he video we no se wo akwanya bi se wo be recommend obi a don't stop. Se akwenya bi beda ho se recommend wunua bi recommend wadanfo bi recommend obi a menyo osi akwan recommend nipa no recommend nipa no cause inshira no nyakopon betimi dia fa so ahira obi sanso ena se unim se ade bi wo ho na se bia wo ntimi nye and you feel said there is a particular person bi obetimi aboa na wa direct ade na manipa no na waboa cause this gentleman we ebia nkono beka say oh ene madam fu mama amene na nye interview na mama amene ne nkasa na yemfanto online, but because say onim Zion ne capacity the numbers are okura ene ne influencer owanti enama wa direct ne ma ZionFelix Zion ene asomesi ene nkomo na ye hwemboa ebetimi efrem aba yakopon enhira mu nyina. In fact we eye ade a ye nyina yebetimi asua bibi e de frame yakopon enhira mu in the comment section no bacho ma ye nhira onkrofo yi Nkrofo ya atimi aye saa nneoma we no ma yeshiro mo ewo honom. Now the videos also was ZionFelix na YouTube page obetimi akwa videos no how this whole journey no started for in occasion any baby ababedru na maame I mean anije a ewo na maame enim no you could see it say sronko besrew say obemi subscribe button na so na watch your comment section na wa share video we so sene be ya foforo ebenya bi ahwe medin ede Kwesi Armah Zion yakopon shira makramo bye bye